So this is how you want to unhook a fish from its mouth. So you want to set down the rod, make sure it doesn't move. Put your thumb right here, put it on the gill. You want to see if it's hooked. So you want to grab it right here, just give it a little wiggle. Okay, so
The hook.
So you want to, if you could see the hook out, so you're gonna have to push it in, or you could, so just wiggle it around and then it comes out, and then you just want to wiggle it.
You got it.
Then
Get out of there. There you go.
you just want to wiggle it, and there you go.
There you go.
Unhooked.
It's unhooked. What do you do with the fish?
So after that, you unhook the fish. Then you give it a little smooch, and then you say goodbye. Bye-bye.